So as we seen in our last phase, we have discussed about business blueprint. So once the business blueprint phase is done, then we move to realization phase, which is the third phase in the implementation project. In this phase, during realization phase, your main focus is on solution design, like functional and technical. And also the main focus you should be on the RISEF development, which will be done by the ABAPers, and data conversion readiness, system configuration, unit test, and other end-to-end testing of the SAP system with final acceptance by the business. So the ultimate goal of this phase is to build, configure and test the SAP system and release it for go live. So when I talk about review of RISEF, then what the ABAPer will do in this, basically while reviewing the RISEF objects, most systems integrators may onboard RISEF development team, right? There will be more ABAPers according to the huge requirement, right? At the beginning of the realization phase. So development team has to deliver the RISEF objects within the timeline and effort that were estimated prior to beginning their work. It is very important that you have the application development lead and technical architects from your systems integrator review the estimate that were done at the end of blueprint phase and refine these numbers by working with the PMO and project leadership. So this is how one will review the RISEF objects. Then we need to also focus on ensure that the SI staffing model for realization phase matches with the work effort in estimations. Like SAP system configuration, RISEF development and testing work efforts is estimated by the SI followed by your approval at the end of blueprint. So manager PMO has to approve. Without the approval, your functional consultant cannot start doing customizing. So you have to make sure that the number of resources in each team matches with the effort required to complete the deliverables as per the RISEF estimates. So other teams such as PMO, basis team, OCM and training are duration based, and staffing of these work streams should match with the estimates provided by the SI at the start of the project. So what is the role of basis? So once the customization is done by the functional team, then the basis folks will import the transport from development to the quality, because in the realization phase, all the functional team will start working on the development box. So once they complete their task, they will store their information in the transport request number. That transport request number will be provided to basis consultant. Basis consultant will then import the transport number from development to quality for testing. So once it's imported, the test users will start doing the testings. So this is how the activities usually work in realization phase. In next phase, we will see about the final preparation. Thank you so much. Bye.